Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 12step, and today I'm here with another video to show you guys on how you can recover your hacked account of Instagram through your PC. First of all, go onto your Google Chrome browser and search for customer support Instagram, and then click on the first link that shows up on your screen. And now this will take you to the help site of Instagram. Here click on account access troubleshooting, and again click on my account has been hacked. And after that, it will give you a link to go to the help center of Instagram. Click on this, and now this will take you to the help center of Instagram. And now click on if you think your account has been hacked. After that, it will show you a link that you need to go into. Click on visit this page. After that, you'll be redirected to the help center of Instagram, where now you need to give them the trouble that you are having with the account that is hacked. Now click on my account was hacked, and then go on to next. After that, it is requesting to identify your account. Now just input your username or your phone number or your email so they can identify your account. And after that, hit on next. And after giving them your identity, now just follow the simple steps that the help center requests you to do, and then you can help recover your account as well. And that's how you can recover your account if it has been hacked through your PC. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.